going on, everybody? It's Will with Priority Exterior Cleaning. We're out here in Jackson, Mississippi today, doing a complete house wash for this homeowner. Our house cleaning solution is applied using a soft wash method, and with this method it is safe and effective, and it does not harm the exterior surfaces of your home. I'll do a demonstration of how we apply the application. If you've watched any of our other videos, you've probably seen our results. These pictures will be posted on our Facebook page, which you can find at Priority Exterior Cleaning, LLC. Or for more information about us, you can check us out at www.priorityexteriorcleaning.com, or you can give us a call. Our number is 601-966-0731. Let me show y'all how this works. Apply the mixture. We get all of it. The change usually starts to take effect pretty quickly. As you can see, it's already turning lighter. Let's see. Oh, missed the spot. Make sure we get these windows good. Our goal is to make this homeowner have the cleanest house in the neighborhood. Shouldn't be too hard to do. Once the application has been applied to the home, we come back with the same amount of pressure, between 60 and 150 psi, and rinse all the soap off. Anyway, if you're looking to get your house washed, give us a call. Again, our number is 601-966-0731. Thanks.